Let's be honest, you didn't want to click this video. You probably wanted to scroll past it to watch a 10-second clip of a cat falling off a table or a movie recap. You can't focus for more than 5 minutes. You feel tired even after sleeping. And simple tasks, like folding laundry or answering an email, feel like climbing Mount Everest. You think you've become lazy. You think you've lost your motivation. You haven't. You are just fried. Here is what's happening. Your brain runs on a chemical called dopamine. It's the reward chemical. In the past, you had to do things to get it. Hunt for food, build a shelter. But today, you are drowning in cheap dopamine. TikTok, junk food, video games, notifications. You get the reward without the effort. When you flood your brain with cheap thrills, your baseline for fun goes up. Suddenly, reading a book isn't just boring, it's painful. Looking at a sunset? Boring. Talking to your family? Too slow. You have fried your receptors. You are like a person who eats cake for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Of course, an apple tastes like cardboard to you now. So, is this permanent? No. But the fix is going to suck. At least for about 48 hours. You need to lower your baseline. This means you need to be bored. Intentionally. When you feel the urge to grab your phone, don't. Just sit there. Let your brain scream for stimulation. Let it starve a little bit. When you starve your brain of cheap dopamine, the boring things start to become interesting again. Start with this rule. No screens for the first 30 minutes of your day. None. Drink water, look out a window, do a push-up. I don't care. Just don't plug into the matrix the second you open your eyes. Your brain is an incredible machine, but you're treating it like a garbage dump. Stop feeding it junk, and it will start working for you again. You aren't lazy, you're just overstimulated. Hit the reset button. Thanks for watching. Now, get off YouTube and go do something boring.